Good morning, class. Happy Thursday, March 26th. I'd like to open today's plan with devotion once again from Romans, but instead of Romans 8, we're going to move forward to Romans 12. The end of Romans 12, starting with verse 17. Recommend you read this passage either with me or sometime on your own as well, because I think it applies to a lot of what's going on right now, and it has a lot to do with the idea of justice we're talking about in this unit too. So Romans 12, starting with verse 17. Do not repay anyone evil for evil. Be careful to do what is right in the eyes of everyone. If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone. Do not take revenge, my dear friends, but leave room for God's wrath. For it is written, "It is mine to avenge, I will repay, says the Lord." On the contrary, if your enemy is hungry, feed him. If he is thirsty, give him something to drink. In doing this, you will heap burning coals on his head. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. You are going to see the very beginning of today's viewing a miscarriage of justice. And you are going to see many people upset at that and seek revenge and vengeance for how they have been wrong. And instead of repaying evil with good, they are repaying evil with evil, despite the fact that the Bible, Romans 12, 17 through 21, tells us to leave room for God's justice and God's wrath instead. So you're going to see examples of what I believe is what we should not do. I think we should fight for justice, but I think how justice is being fought for, and what you'll see both today and tomorrow, that's not the way justice should be sought. So today you're going to watch a shorter portion of LA 92. I front-loaded the viewing a little bit just to kind of set the scene in the first day. The next 3 days, the viewing time won't be as long, so you have a little bit more time to do your other work. Plan first, before you start watching today's portion of LA 92, I would like you to go back to your flip grid. I would like you to reply to somebody else's. More details in just a second on that. You will then watch LA 92 film part 2. A couple students asked, where do we stop? I will make that clear to you in this video since it was unclear yesterday. My apologies. And then once you are done watching today, you'll do the same thing that you should have done yesterday, which is post a Flipgrid video explaining your day 2 top movie moment. So the two things I need you to do: first, do your day 1 Flipgrid reply of somebody else's video, and then 2, post today's top moment on Flipgrid by 10 a.m. tomorrow. So first, for the reply, I only need you to reply to one of your classmates. If you see somebody who's got more than one reply, maybe choose somebody else. I don't care who you choose as long as we have some balance there. I just need you to reply in a short video, 20 to 30 seconds, just to have some conversation. Post your reaction to whatever their top movie moment was, whether it's the same one as you or one totally different. Just give a short 20 to 30 second video response to that. This is part of your grade. If you don't do this, you're not getting full points on your day 1 video to begin with. Only one student, only 20 to 30 seconds. Real quick, just to show you how to do that. Realize my Flipgrid account might look different than yours because I have a teacher account, you have student accounts. But what you will do is click on the topic from yesterday, day 1 top movie moment. As of 6 o'clock p.m., recording this on Wednesday, we have had 8 responses. I will choose one of these 8 people. We'll do Hugo's. Hugo, we're glad that you made it back home safely.
I chose a part of the document where you can see.
I'll watch his video. To respond to it, I've got to click this green button at the bottom that says reply. And then I will record my response. Click here to start it. Click there to publish it. Kind of like before. So only do that for one of your classmates. You don't have to do one per classmate. I don't care which one you do. Try to spread it out if you can. What I will then do, so that topic was the day 1, I will post a day 2 topic for you, and I will post a link to that on Google Classroom. I apologize that it took me so long to do that yesterday. For some reason, my Google Classroom wasn't working, and I couldn't get the video the link to Flipgrid to post, so I apologize for that. I'll make sure you do that before 10 o'clock tomorrow. For today, you will stop at 1 hour and 50 seconds. So that's the timestamp. For future reference, if you go to your note template, on the left column, where it says day 1, day 2, day 3, it tells you where to stop each day. Okay, so that's where you'll stop at 1 hour 50 seconds. Tomorrow will be 1:27 10 seconds, and then next week Monday is when you will finish. If you have questions about any of those things, please let me know. Otherwise, that's what you need to have done for tomorrow. One final thing before I stop and end this video. Next week, at some point, I don't know the exact day yet, it will probably be Thursday, if I had to guess, because you still need to write your reflection paper for this documentary, and we'll finish Monday, so I'll probably give you Tuesday and Wednesday to write the reflection paper, which means next week, Thursday, most likely, you will get your test. More details to come on that next week. Just make sure you have your notes all together for that, because you'll be able and you will want to use them for that test. If you have questions, let me know. Keep checking PowerSchool, keep checking Google Classroom, and enjoy today's part of the film.